are at Mia's Italian Kitchen. The food just came out. That pasta looks a little bit dry. Hopefully it doesn't look like that in the camera, but this is an all-you-can-eat place here in Orlando. We got a media dine. We've been here before. I wanted to check it out again. I feel like if I do a video here, it's gonna go viral because it's all-you-can-eat Italian food, which is wild. We have the setup with the lights, and the food just got here, like I said, so I'm starting to shoot content right now, and then we get to dig in. Guys, the fire alarms are going off. Attenzione, pickpocket! We're still drinking our wine. We're almost done with dinner. They have a bowling alley at this resort, which is so cool. It's called Galaxy Bowl. Let's see how good I can do. I'm usually better at bowling with my left hand, so let's give this a shot. And I still suck, no matter what. I still missed. I'll try my right hand now. I think that one was good. The mic was in the way with that shot, so let's give it one more roll. Let's try my right hand now. Alrighty. So I'm not good at bowling. Literally got one. The one that I did before this though was really good. You guys can see it here. I knocked down like almost everything, but yeah, they're about to close, so we're gonna head out and explore a little bit more of this resort. It is so freaking nice here, you guys. It's like 90s. It's giving the Jetsons. I love it.
All right, so what we got here, strawberry shake from Shakes at Cabana Bay in Orlando, the resort. We're gonna give it a review. This place, by the way, open till 3 in the morning. I didn't do a sound check. Check. Can you hear me? I know you can. Can you see this shake? I know you can. It's good. It's good. You gotta aerate. Good strawberry, nice and creamy. Perfect hint of whipped cream. Not too much cherry. So good.
So my thoughts on this shake are pretty similar to Chino's, but I actually think it's really, really good. Chino likes a lot of flavor. I'm more of like a mild flavor type of girly, and this is mild. This is exactly what I will want. Not too much strawberry, just really nice and light. Will it give me a stomach ache? Yes. Will I get it again? Chino might, so that means yes. But yeah, not bad. I give it like a 4 out of 5. It has real pieces of strawberry. That's impressive. The whip is lacking flavor though. It could be a little bit more creamy, more heavy, creamy-ish. Good morning, everyone. Today's a big day. We're going to Universal and Islands. So really cool thing about this hotel is that you can pick up your tickets here, literally at the entrance. So we didn't have to go through guest services at the park. We just did it here, and now we're just gonna walk out and catch a bus to take us to Universal, which is literally right around the corner. Perks of waking up early in the morning is that there's literally no line. There's Chino. It's literally so nice out. I haven't been to Universal in such a long time. And Islands, we're gonna hit up Harry Potter World first because we never get to do it. It's like always broken. You know, starting your morning off with a juice is always necessary. Shout out Raw Juice. They don't sponsor me, but maybe they will one day because I literally spend so much money there. Chino loves their juice too. I got him like this berry one, but their green juices are so fire. If you guys have never been to Universal, this is literally the first spot that you see once you get into the park.
This is the spot?
This is like iconic.
All the dad pics.
Yes.
This is where you see all the dads taking pictures like this.
Exactly. Right now we're going through the famous CityWalk, which has food, entertainment. This is pretty much free for everyone. There's no entrance to get in here, but there's just, you know, stores and shopping that you can do. There's also so many photo op opportunities. I can't even get off this thing, but look how cute it is. And then right behind us, you have the entrance for Universal, and I believe the entrance for Islands is over yonder, which is where we're gonna be going first. So we have fast passes, which means there's only a 5-minute wait to get into this King Kong ride. Here we go.
This isn't fast passes. This is a VIP treat. But it's fast passes. You gotta pay more. We just rode the VelociCoaster. This ride is sick. The last time we were here, we got here a week before it opened, so we never got to ride it. Finally got to ride it. So worth it. Best roller coaster here by far. They had Dueling Dragons, and that was the best in my opinion. Got rid of it, and this replaced it years later. This is the best one for sure. It's got everything.
So Chino is about to try the green eggs and ham. They look very tasty. I already tried them.
A little ASMR. Get the crunch of me picking it up. I'm kind of scared to bite into it. Give me a second. Cheers, mate. It's good. Tastes like regular tater tots, cheese, eggs, and ham. But I do taste the green in it, so there's that.
I already tasted it. It is so good. I think what makes these eggs green is like spinach or something, so I like how they're not using like food dye. The tater tots are very crispy. This is super hot, but I like it a lot. All right, guys, so we're at, I believe this place is called Blondie's. They have foot-long dogs. We got it with cheese and onions, minus the chili. This is supposed to be a chili cheese dog, so let's give it a try. It's so good. The cheese and onions on it is amazing. The dog is like really skinny, but it's so juicy and flavorful. Love it. Oh, and it also came with crinkle fries. These are crispy. I'm not gonna lie, that hot dog was so fire. Chino thought that this was gonna put us to sleep. I think he's a little tired, but that just like brought me to life. And the spot is really cute inside. So they got like the old school vibe. What you know you would come to Universal and see when you were a kid. I'm hoping they don't like tear this part down because this generation now doesn't really know any of this, so it like might not be as valuable. This area is also always empty because everyone is in Jurassic Park or Harry Potter World, so we'll see how long this stays here. We just made it to Universal. We took the train over, and now we are entering Diagon Alley. This spot is so much better than the one at Islands of Adventures, in my opinion. There's so much more detail here, so much more to see, so much more to do. And I also believe they have more food options. We have made it into the Minion Cafe. This spot is so freaking cute. They have a little vending machine with bananas. And the workers are using little Minion outfits. And then look at this. Look how cute. All right, guys, we got our food. This is a little peanut butter and Gru's peanut butter and jelly. It's like an Uncrustable. We got some mac and cheese, which looks so good. A green tomato soup with pimento grilled cheese, and a lemonade. What's up, guys? We are currently in Orlando and we're gonna check out the beer spot. This is super popular in Prague. If you guys don't know, the owner who has this spot was actually so inspired and loves the ones in Prague that she brought one to Orlando, so let's check it out. So my thoughts on this beer spot is 10 out of 10. It was such a great experience. We've done a beer spa before in Denver, Colorado, and it really isn't comparable because both are just so different. This one has more of like a rustic vibe, and I loved how hot the tubs were. Overall, it was just a really nice experience, and it's definitely something that you have to do if you're ever in the area or if you just like want to try to do something different.
So, beer spa in Orlando, 100% would recommend. I would definitely come back here. So relaxing. Get into the hot tub, do the sauna, go into the shower for a cold plunge. They have a hay bed you can go and lay on and cool off. So there's a lot to do in there. And the taps are in the room, so you can drink as much beer as you want in there and get your sangria or wine or whatever you want. It's a good experience. I would definitely recommend you go.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe so that you can come along on these really cool adventures with me. Talk to you guys soon.